Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free IP changer for Windows. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to touchvpn.net. In this step, click on Get TouchVPN. Then choose what platform you are using. For example, I want to install this great VPN on my Windows. So I should choose Windows MSI. Select Save File. After that, go to your downloads and open your file. In this step, choosing which country you want to connect. For example, let me choose Germany. After that, select Connect. As you can see, in only 1 second, we connected. Also, if you want to disconnect from VPN, click on Stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.